just off of 287, right behind the Sam's Club at Crave Hot Dogs and Barbecue. This is a new family-owned restaurant here in Mansfield, and it is a pretty cute little place. So let's go take a look inside and see what we find. Okay, so y'all, this little gym is a pretty cute little place. So just a couple of funny things. I was just speaking with the owner and we were walking around, and I have to tell you that behind the camera, you can't see it, one of the TVs has Saved by the Bell on all the time. There's not really a story behind it other than it's just funny. There's always Saved by the Bell on. Those of you that are my generation will probably think that's kind of funny. There's also a TV that also always has Fail Army on. If you don't know what Fail Army is, it's pretty much people falling and getting hurt, which sounds terrible, but I'm sure you've all scrolled past those videos. Anyway, that's not the main thing we're here for. We are here for the food, okay? Crave Hot Dogs and Barbecue. This is a very eclectic menu, actually. It's pretty interesting. So you've got, you know, your chili cheese dog, and you've got a bratwurst, and you've got a spicy hot link, and you've got some stuff like that. But also there's some barbecue tacos, there's loaded tater tots, there's some brisket bowls, there's really a pretty cool menu. Also, don't tell anyone, but there is also a secret menu on the app. So if you download their app, there's a couple of things that you can't find on the regular menu. So download the app to see all the cool stuff. Now, a lot of you are gonna love what's happening behind me. This is their tap wall, okay? So when you go and you order your food, you go to the counter, you can get a little card. I should have grabbed one actually while I was up there. But you get a card and you open a tab basically, and then you come over here and you tap your card on the tap here, and it's beer by the ounce. Okay, so, or not even just beer. Hold on, I'll get to that in a second. So you're paying by the ounce for what you're drinking. So it's kind of neat. It's like, you know, you don't have to have a whole glass of something. If you want to taste a couple of different things, like you just come up to the wall and see what they've got. Now, one of the things I love about this tap wall, the reason we're here and the reason we do a lot of our community spotlights is because we're all about supporting local business, right? Well, a lot of what they have on this tap wall is supporting local business. Rar & Sons, the brewery in Fort Worth, you've got their Adios Pantalones is one of the things you can get. We've got the, where'd it go? The Dallas Blonde from the Deep Ellum Brewing Company. There's the Best Made Pickle Sour Beer that is made by Martin House, which is also in Fort Worth. Revolver, which is made down in Granbury. So I love that they've chosen beers that are all pretty local to our area. So that is pretty neat. Also, if you're not a beer drinker, there's a couple of options down here. They've got this Carolina green tea shot, a golden margarita, a Moscow mule, and then of course up at the counter you also can get wine by the glass, or wine by the, they sell the little bottles of wine. So lots to choose from here. Obviously, if you're not a drinker, that's okay too. We got a soda fountain over there, but it's just kind of a cool thing that they offer. Also, who knew? There's axe throwing right inside of here. Okay, so if you come look this direction, he told me that he didn't have the keys to the axes, but I think he just didn't want me to throw one. I think maybe he just didn't want to give me a chance to throw one. I'm just kidding. But so there's like several different games you can play over there actually. You can set up like a tic-tac-toe, or so it's not just aiming for the center. You can kind of get a little bit creative with it. Anyway, overall guys, this is a really cool little place. So grand opening is coming up on Tuesday the 27th, so you should come check it out. Have a hot dog, have a taco, have some loaded tater tots, and maybe experiment with the tap wall and throw a couple of axes, all that good stuff. So they also keep board games up at the front, very kind of family friendly atmosphere. So please check this place out. And when you do, let me know what you think.